Hey guys, it's me, Ace, back on my AC. Today's video is hashtag no edit, hashtag no filter, and today we're back with another vending machine update. You guys know I like to do vending machines, so let's just get right into the video. Here we have the coin slot. This obviously doesn't need a coin to operate, and you can see the candies popping out right here just for purposes of showing you what is exactly happening. We're going to place in the coin, and you'll hear the little clang. Did you hear that, guys? I love that sound. Now we're going to twist this roll. So let's look to see if we got our prize, and we got not a Milky Way, at 3 Musketeers. So we got that. Now we're going to twist again without the money, just to show you that it works without the money. There we go. And we just put the prize through here. Here we go. So now I'm going to show you the mechanics. Obviously, right here is where the hole would be. The candy would be right here. And when you twist, it will get caught into the toilet paper roll. And when you twist again, you will see it drop down. So this is what it would actually look like. So it would, oh my goodness, okay. It would look like this. I don't know if you can see it, but it would drop down, sort of like that. Okay, and this is also gel proof, so you cannot get candy from in here, and you cannot get the coins either, because this machine is so small. The coin is super high to the ceiling, so the only way to get this is by obviously breaking the machine, or maybe having really small fingers like I do. I can just simply reach in. And there's the platform or the candies, so you could not even get any of the candies. So I would actually have to spin this in order to get candy, even if I was in a rush. So we're going to do this one last time. Here we go. I don't know if it... Yeah, here we go. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!